In this video, we are going to show you how to add PayPal as payment method in Google Play Store. Now, if you want to use PayPal as a payment method for whatever subscription you have on your Google Play Store, it's quite simple. All you need to do is go to the Play Store and tap on your profile icon on the upper right corner of your screen, like so. Once you are here, you want to tap on payments and subscriptions. So we do that right now. Once we are here, it's the very first option. So we need to tap payment methods over here. And here we're going to have everything that we have as a payment method. So it's blurred out. And then here, add payment method to your Google account. So we have several options here. You have add credit or debit card, add PayPal, which is the one we want. You have add Maya, add ShopPay, and add Gcash. And so all we need to do is just tap on add PayPal like so. And here you just need to enter or log in to your PayPal account using the same email and password that you use when you log into your PayPal app or even on your browser. And you're going to need to verify. Most of the time, it's via confirmation email. After that, you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.